Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and this is 5-Star Cars, where we cover anything to do with your favourite YouTubers, supercars, rate videos out of 10, car projects. Just if you want somewhere to chat about supercars and your favourite car YouTubers, this is going to be the channel that does it. I'm going to use this as a platform where we can discuss about your favourite car YouTubers. So I'll be bringing up your comments in the videos. I do watch a lot of your favourites like DD, TJ Hunt, Tavares, all them. So I want to give it a platform to, like a podcast for you to, chat in comments, and I'll, chat back with you in the videos about what's going on in the supercar community. So that's what this channel is about. And I kind of just rate them out of 10. It could be 1, 2, 3 videos maximum throughout what I rate. Also, guys, with this channel, when we get monetized, please God, it won't be too long, but at the moment, you gotta subscribe, guys, and follow me on Instagram. It'll just get this ball rolling. But when we get monetized, ye will see how much this channel makes every month, and ye will decide what I do with that money. Will I bank it? What project car I will buy? If you want a channel that's going to give you the opportunity to decide where it goes and what we buy, like project car wise, and what car we get, this is going to be it. It's going to take a while to get there, but trust me, stick with me and subscribe and we will get there. Also, when I get monetized, just to get the ball going, I'll give away this Lamborghini LED sign behind me. There's also Ferrari ones, so you can pick which one you want. I live in Ireland and there's not really much supercars here, not where I am anyway, there's none, so I can't really kind of go out like the guys do in LA and vlog that kind of stuff. But in saying that about vlogging, I am going to Dubai in around 6 weeks time for a week on my own to party a bit, relax, but also I'm going to vlog as much supercar content as I can for you. I've never done this whole YouTube vlogging thing before, so I'll give it a shot and we'll see how it goes. So I hope you like the channel, guys, and check out my other videos and get involved, subscribe and comment below, and I'll bring up your comments. So in today's video, we're going to jump in. As you see by my other videos, we usually cover the main supercar YouTubers. I am going to cover one. The other one's going to be a bit different. So number 1 on our list, Mr. Beast. We're going to be covering him. He's not really a supercar channel, but he did do video on giving away a free Lamborghini, which technically is a supercar and does cover into the subject. And number 2 on our list is Mighty Car Mods, who we haven't covered before either. I watched them installing the $169 turbo from eBay. We'll cover that as well. So that's what we do, and I'll rate them out of 10, and we'll go from there. So jumping straight into today's video, guys, number 1 on our list, Mr. Beast. Never covered him before. He put up a video the other day of 3 of his friends go and do challenges to win a Lamborghini. I must say, no wonder the guy is so big in what he does. The ideas he comes up with and the challenges are absolutely insane. It was a very fun video to watch, the way they went through it. He's very giving. You can see what he does so well, and to give away a $90,000 Lamborghini at the end of the day to one of his friends is amazing. They really do get spoiled. I wouldn't mind being his friend and doing a few challenges. Like, the guys, don't even have to do anything, I'd say, with their lives. They just have to hang around with him and do challenges. So just here's a quick clip. You just see the Lamborghini Hurricanes that they get the racings taking off, and 1 or 2 of the challenges they have to do.
1, go! What? That sounds so cool.
On the road.
If they speed just 1 mile over the speed limit, they're disqualified. That board's bad vibes. Oh, got it! Chris got it! Just to confirm, it hit it. Chris hit the bullseye. Now he's going to open a second envelope and go to the second challenge.
So yeah, what do you think, guys? If you've seen the video, comment below, let me know. Definitely check it out. It's a fun video. Insane kind of way he does the challenges and stuff like that. The axe throwing one was pretty cool, I thought, as well. I don't know how he keeps coming up with these ideas, but I suppose he's so many friends around him to come up with ideas for challenges is quite fun. And the amount of views he gets, absolutely nuts. Like, I think, me personally, I think they've worked it out as around anywhere from 7,000 to 9,000 in ads revenue a video, depending on the ads they have in it. So you're talking what per million views. So 15 million views on that video, and that's not even finished, like that's in 2 days. So the guy is making a serious amount of money. No wonder he can dash out and give out free Lamborghinis. It's mental. But sure, look, maybe hopefully someday we'll get there, but I doubt it very much. So that video was very fun. I must say I was very surprised at how good it was. I'm going to give that a solid 8.5 out of 10. So on to number 2 on our list is Mighty Car Mods, where they got the $169 turbo on eBay, and they threw it into their Yaris. Now I know they put up another video the other day about the completion of getting it finished. I still have to watch that, but I was quite surprised the amount of work that had to go in to get them to fit this turbo. It was insane. Like, fair juice to them for the amount of effort and time they put into fitting that turbo, and then the outcome of it was absolutely nuts. I was not expecting it to reach those figures. Just here's a quick video of it reaching the rec horsepower right now.
I felt something bad. Feel it? Like the dog. 150 kilowatts at the wheels, everybody. 200 horsepower. 200 horsepower.
So yeah, guys, those figures are insane. They didn't even think they were going to get to that that brake horsepower either. So have you seen the video? What you think of it? Comment below. Fair juice to them for the work they've put into it. It's quite a fun project. I must watch the other video now and see what the outcome. I know there was a bit of rattling in the engine at the end after all that testing. So I haven't watched those guys in a long time. I've subscribed to them, and I'm going to get back in watching them. Do you watch them? What was your favorite project by them? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Definitely. I'm going to give that video that I've seen. It was a very fun video, and a lot of work went into it. Fair juice of what they did. So I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 because I watched every bit of it, and the work they put in there is, it's insane. Like, so yeah, that's what we do here, guys. Just rate it out of 10. Also, I've made a website where you can basically vote on your 2019 Car YouTuber of the Year. It'll come up here. So just go to the site and just quick vote on which one you want, and I'll give the results at the end of this month as well. Also, guys, I've watched other videos. I've watched Yaris's Supercar Garage update video, which was pretty cool. I can't wait for him to get going on the F355. Looks like he completed the Bentley finally. Stuff like that. I've also just watched the latest video today with TJ Hunt going out to a meet in his Lamborghini Aventador. I know the whole Alex Choi DD beef with vehicle versions and Savage Garage and Ed Mondy's going on. The accusations he's throwing out there, Parker from vehicle versions, is absolutely nuts. If this doesn't go to court or into law, it's insane. Like, I mean, some really serious ones going on there. It looks like Damon's been called out a lot, and they're just ignoring it. So we just want to get on and see some supercar content. Again, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of the drama, and what you, from your point of view, what you think is going on. So that's everything for today, guys. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you watched to the end, I hope you subscribe, and let me know if you're watching other videos yourself that you want me to watch and rate. So that's everything I have for you. We'll definitely have a video maybe out tomorrow. I'd say we will. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great evening or great day, and peace out. Bye.